Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. This video is gonna be just an update uh, on the Veloster with what happened at the track. I don't know if I posted the video or not, but it was a disaster when I went to the track. So apparently I had a boost leak. So it was making 14.8. Well, 14.8 was the lowest. The highest was 15.8. I was like, nah, something's wrong. Let me go home. It happened before that I had a boost leak. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I'm 99% sure. I'm gonna leave 1% off just in case, but I'm pretty sure it's a boost leak. Like it happened before. So I'm gonna tighten all the clamps again, but I want to show you something I did. So let me show you. Okay, so what you're seeing right here is the catch can, the oil catch can. The oil catch can is from eBay, I'm not gonna lie. I had it on the Mustang, the same one but black. This time I decided to go with the neo color, with the neochrome. Looks really good. But it didn't came with a mount because it was universal. So yeah, I made the mount myself. I'm not a professional welder, as you may know, but I can handle it. I can manage a little bit. Like you can see, it's not perfect, but it works. It works fine. Holds it really good. It's really strong. So yeah, that's one of them. So I routed the hoses down here. It's for the one that comes from the PC valve. Yep, that's the one. And yeah, it's pretty neat, simple, nothing fancy, but functional. The other thing is as you may saw on the installation videos for the nitrous, I wrapped the cold pipe and the hot pipe with the golden wrap from Mishimoto. The other thing I have, just in case you were wondering, is this thing. It's kind of dirty right now, but this thing is the race chips. It's not the best thing ever, but at the track it works. At the dyno, it's pure crap. But at the track it works wonders. So yeah, that's why I still use it. I still have it. Okay, the other thing I did was replacing the spark plugs because I had the wrong ones on the car for a long time. uh, but now I replaced them with the right ones. This is the number. This is the number. All right. These are the 2014 model spark plugs, because I wanted to go a tiny bit colder, from the factory 2016, uh, 2013 model, which are not good at all. They're heat range 6. Apparently, Hyundai noticed it that it was not the proper one, so they went 2014 with the colder one. So, and I did the valve cleaning thing with the spray that you can buy at AutoZone, O'Reilly, whatever you want to go. Um, it's the GDI valve cleaner. I can't remember the name, but it's, you know what I mean. I did that. All I have to do left is the T-clamps. Tighten them up and try again at the track. One more thing, I forgot to show you this. The bumper, I just cut this, the bottom part of the grill. I cut it. It's not pretty when you look at it close, very close, but from far it looks cool. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you a picture of it. So yeah, now it's over. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.